Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how Robinhood Gold works. Robinhood Gold is a premium service offered by the popular trading platform Robinhood, providing users with additional features and benefits. To get started with Robinhood Gold, you need to have a Robinhood account and meet certain eligibility requirements. First, let's discuss the key features of Robinhood Gold. This service offers extended trading hours, which allow users to trade before and after regular market hours. Additionally, Robinhood Gold provides access to professional research reports from Morningstar, giving users valuable insights and analysis to inform their investment decisions. Another important aspect of Robinhood Gold is the margin account. With a margin account, users can borrow money from Robinhood to buy more stocks, options, or other securities. However, it's essential to understand that margin trading involves higher risks and may result in significant losses if not managed properly. To sign up for Robinhood Gold, log into your Robinhood account and navigate to the account settings. From there, select the Robinhood Gold option and agree to the terms and conditions. You will then need to deposit or transfer funds into your Robinhood Gold account to start using the service. It's crucial to note that Robinhood Gold has a monthly fee of $5, which is waived if you have at least $1,000 in your account. Additionally, interest is charged on any borrowed funds, and the interest rate varies depending on the amount borrowed. In terms of best practices, it's essential to carefully review the terms and conditions of Robinhood Gold before signing up. Make sure you understand the risks associated with margin trading and only borrow what you can afford to repay. It's also important to set clear investment goals and develop a well-thought-out strategy to minimize potential losses. In conclusion, Robinhood Gold offers a range of features and benefits for users looking to take their trading to the next level. By understanding the key concepts and practical applications of Robinhood Gold, users can make informed decisions and maximize their investment potential. Always prioritize careful planning, risk management, and education to achieve success in the world of trading.